Next, we have with us Mr. Suresh Iyer, who's the CEO of Impresa. Impresa is an MRO software company, and apparently they're the only MRO software company who's exhibiting at the MRO Expo. Welcome Suresh sir to the 6th Aerospace and Defense MRO South Asia Summit and MRO Expo. So since this is your first time exhibiting at the MRO Summit, what is your experience? How did you find the overall summit and expo?
First of all, thank you for giving us a podium here, and it's been a pleasure. We are a US software company. We hear so much of growth about MRO in India, so this is the first time that we want to come physically here and then experience that. It's been a wonderful experience so far.
Thank you, sir. What do you think of the evolving MRO market in India? Like, if last 5 years, if you see, there is not much growth.
Yes.
But there is a growth spurt seen in the last couple of years. A lot of MROs are developing their capabilities. A lot of new players are jumping in the MRO market. A lot of overseas MROs are trying to, establish their base in India. So, and I want to know, what is your opinion of the whole scenario?
I think one of the important things about India, at least what I have seen, the growth is very well planned. Yeah, it didn't happen the last few years, but now there is a very sustained effort that's been put together, both by the government as well as from the commercial space itself, right? So when you have this kind of a growth plan, if you don't have the infrastructure that goes with it, it will become very difficult. So I think what I'm seeing is a lot of emphasis that's being now put in, where how they can make it easier for customers to actually get these solutions implemented in their premises quite easily. Because everybody wants to grow, but the growth has to be measured. And technology is the only way that's going to happen. So you can't do it with pen and paper and pencil anymore. So because one, there is a lot of regulatory requirements, and how well you can comply, how quickly you can. Especially if there is an audit, you will be able to provide records so quickly with electronic media. So I think those fundamentals are being laid out very clearly now. That's why even players from outside want to establish a base here. So it's a beautiful growth story here, and we are so pleased to be part of that.
All right, sir. What are your plans for India?
We have established ourselves quite well in US market. So what we have proven as a success there, we want to bring to India. So we want to rewrite that story here and provide exactly the same benefits. So we are trying to enter this market, especially from a software delivery perspective. And our software basically covers everything that a MRO provider wants, whether it is heavy maintenance, line maintenance, base maintenance. Everything is completely available in one solution platform. And we are a SaaS solution, so you really don't have the IT infrastructure issues that otherwise you typically have. Everything is on the cloud. All you need is just a URL to run our software. So we make it very simple and affordable.
Since you spoke of the US growth story, can you share a few examples or something of the US growth story?
Yeah, US, again, the MRO market is significantly higher, and they are projecting in the next 10 years it even to double. So there is consistent effort that's been put in already in place in US, where most of these things are software driven. So there is emphasis indirectly put on the software platform. So that's what I would like to see in India happen right now. People haven't gotten that realization yet. They still think that they can manage manually, but it's not going to be possible.
Okay, can you just share a few details of the capabilities? What does this software exactly do?
So the software, as I said, it's a one-stop solution where a customer can start very small. You can grow as you grow into the software. So it is not like you have to have everything on day one. Our product is configured in such a way that you can do line maintenance, you can do base maintenance, or you can do heavy maintenance, which is the ABC checks. We provide a very simple list of all the tasks that needs to be accommodated, and we manage your planning and scheduling quite well. So it's a comprehensive software that will basically address all the requirements of MRO players today.
All right.
Hope I'm able to answer all of your questions.
Yes, thank you. Thank you so much, sir. Sure. Thank you so much for coming to our event and for MRO Expo, and all the best.
It's a pleasure always to be here, and we really look forward to be participating here again next year. So we are already making plans for that.
Thank you, sir.
Thanks a lot.